Ecological restoration is the process of repairing, rehabilitating, and restoring damaged or degraded ecosystems to their natural and functional state. It involves activities such as removing invasive species, replanting native vegetation, restoring waterways, and reintroducing native wildlife. The goal is to enhance biodiversity, improve ecosystem services, and promote ecological balance. Ecological restoration aims to reverse the negative impacts of human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and habitat destruction, and create healthier, more resilient ecosystems. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.